my ladies with the thin hair, this what you need.
Give me a reason and I'll pretend I'm in control. Just like the seasons, you're taking the time from me, but no, I don't.
What's up, my Loc loves? Welcome back to my channel. And if you are new, hit that subscribe button so you can be part of the Loc Love crew, period. I'm out here busting 2 videos a week, so go ahead and join the crew so you can keep up with us. I have a super special video for you all because my ladies with the thin hair, this is what you need. This is what you need. So before I get started on doing 2-strand twists with human hair, I want to discuss something that I get a lot of questions about, being what kind of hair do I use? Now, I have a whole separate video of 2 vendors that I use for my Afro Kinky bulk hair, but I wanted to give y'all an update because this company that I use now is way quicker, it costs the same, and the quality is great. So I now use Exyhair for my Afro Kinky bulk hair, and the reason why I use it is because the shipping is fast. They are a USA based hair company, and so when they are USA based, the hair is going to come super fast. That is my main reason why I switched over from my other 2 vendors to Exyhair. So I want to go ahead and talk about the hair real fast because I still get questions on, you know, whether it's human hair. Yes, it's human. Oh, this is a lot of hair, y'all. This is a lot of hair. So yes, it is human hair. Look at the texture and all that. It is human. Yes, it can be dyed. Here's proof here. This is like a little ombre look I went for. You can use this for dreadlocks. You can use this for braids. You can use this for twisting, which is what we're going to use it for in this video. So yeah, that's my new vendor. If y'all see anybody in the comments of any of my videos asking me what kind of hair I use, let them know I use Exyhair. And because I love Exyhair so much, I got a coupon code for you all because your girl is all about saving you coins. So if you spend over $99, you can use the coupon code 0809 to get $10 off your purchase. Not only do they have super fast shipping, they have free shipping. Free shipping. So when it comes to the price compared to my Chinese vendors, they cost the same, if not less, which is super good. So definitely check out Exyhair and let's get into it. Alrighty, so like I said before, this is one of my lovely subbies who decided she wanted me to install the 2-strand twist on her hair after she watched my 2-strand twist video. Now I done told her this is not a service that I offer, but you know, she gave me the confidence to go ahead and offer it to her, and now I love it. I do offer this service now moving forward. So again, this is best for people with thin hair. Reason being is twist will give you that volume that you want, and you can still start your lock journey with 2-strand twists, even with the extensions. So as you can see, she has a lot of thinning, mainly at her top, but overall her hair is less dense than the average person. So what we're gonna do, listen, I'm not a braider, but I'm gonna try to explain to you how I braided these twists into her hair. So what I'm gonna do is just go ahead and section her hair. We did want the micro sizing, but I would say these are on the larger side of the micro sizing, just because I want to make sure her twist will match up with her roots. So I'm just going to go ahead and section her off, and I'm going to take a small piece of the Afro Kinky bulk hair. I do mean small. Again, this is from Exyhair, and what I'm going to do is split the small piece of hair into 3 and overlap them. I hope this makes sense. Just the video will make more sense than me trying to tell you. But the end result is me having 3 legs. 1, 2, and 1, 2, and 3. 3 legs. And so I got 3 legs for the Afro Kinky bulk hair, and I'm going to make 3 legs with her natural hair. So 1, 2, and 3. And so what I'm going to do is match up the 3 from the Afro Kinky bulk hair and the 3 legs of her natural hair, and then I just start braiding. Y'all, I'm not a braider, and I definitely don't know how to explain something that I'm not that good at. But that is how I attach the Afro Kinky bulk hair. And I just braid down 4, 5, maybe 6 different passes. And then I split the hair, the middle leg, into 2. And I just start loosely twisting. And I want to loosely twist because I want to give her that volume. Now, when I installed these twists on myself, I did the tight twist and twist method, which made my twist skinny. But when you just loosely twist with her, it would give you the juicy kind of twist. So, oh Lord, y'all forgive me if I'm not making the most sense. But this is how her twist came out. So the rest of this video, I'm just going to try to show y'all. Oh, also, because I'm not a braider, I have to go ahead and interlock her roots to make her install a little bit tighter. So not too tight, but you know, when you leave and get your hair freshly done, you want your hair to be nice and tight, right? All right, y'all. Hopefully the visual makes more sense than me trying to talk. Just remember 3 legs for the twist for the Afro Kinky bulk hair, 3 legs for her natural hair, braid it in, braid down maybe like 5, 6, 7 passes, split the middle leg into 2, twist, then interlock the root. I'm done talking for the rest of this video.
Like we always do. Even if I say I don't love you, you know it's not true. 'Cause love is what we do. And I love you. So many times I've heard promises of romance, but there's something about you that makes me believe in another chance. Can't explain what I'm sensing. Every part of me trembling as I feel that you got through I could stay